the mini beast that bullies full towers. KAMRUI Ryzen 9 Gaming PC. Yes, it's that fast. Click it already. Are you tired of giant, ugly PC towers hogging all your desk space, blasting heat like a broken toaster, and sounding like a jet engine during a mild Excel session? Meet your new obsession, the KAMRUI Mini Gaming PC. This pocket-sized monster obliterates the myth that power needs to be bulky. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, streaming, or handling 37 Chrome tabs with no mercy, this thing just won't flinch. You get speed, silence, and swagger in a pint-sized box that screams, "Why are you still using that clunky dinosaur?" The era of desk freedom has officially begun. While others are flexing specs that sound fancy but fall flat in real-world use, the KAMRUI AM21 straight-up embarrasses them. Ryzen 9 6900HX? Check. Zen 3 Plus architecture and a 4.9 GHz boost clock? Yup. DDR5 RAM and USB4 with 40 gigabits per second data speeds? You bet. Oh, and it supports 4K displays simultaneously. Quad screen heaven. That's not flexing, it's dominance. Add an integrated Radeon 680M graphics and you've got a gaming and productivity powerhouse that kicks sand in the face of wannabe desktops. Click add to cart before the rest of the internet finds out. You don't just want specs, you want the edge. This KAMRUI beast rocks 16GB DDR5, upgradable to 64GB, a 512GB NVMe SSD for ultra-fast boots, and expansion options that future-proof your rig. Got a VR headset? It's ready. Need multi-monitor multitasking? Boom, 2 HDMI 2.1, USB4, DP, and USB-C dual LAN? Done. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for maximum wireless stability? Absolutely. This isn't just a mini PC, it's a Swiss Army knife with RGB vibes, minus the actual RGB. Slide into the future without sacrificing a single port. Time is money, and this little demon saves both. It's preloaded with Windows 11 Pro and boots in literal seconds. It takes 10 minutes to set up, and then you're flying. No annoying fan noise, thanks to high-speed 4500 RPM silent cooling. No overheating, thanks to all-metal dual inlet airflow. No desk clutter, because it's 1/20th of the size of a standard PC. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming while ordering tacos, it keeps up like a caffeinated cheetah on rollerblades. Why wait? Power, peace, and performance are just one click away. Let's get real. This much power at this size and price is borderline criminal. The build is solid, the performance is savage, and the price? Honestly, it's stealing. KAMRUI packed a full-sized beast into a lunchbox-sized legend, and they're daring you to challenge it. Whether you're a gamer, student, creator, or someone who just hates lag, this is the smartest money you'll ever spend. Don't just upgrade, level up. Buy it now and laugh every time someone asks why your PC doesn't roar like a lawnmower. Tap add to cart and make your desk sexy again.